will be arriving at Montreal Central Station in approximately 5 minutes. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop in the terminal.
If you're a fellow Gen X traveler who values location, comfort, and a bit of independence when traveling, Sonder Penny Lane in Montreal might just hit the sweet spot. I stayed here in early June and found it to be a good base for exploring the city, with a few quirks worth noting. There's no traditional front desk here. It's all app-based, which worked smoothly. Some may miss the human touch, but I appreciated the no-fuss self-check-in. The building's a bit old school and low-rise, but it's been tastefully renovated. There's a cabinet near the lift with top-up essentials like coffee, tea, and dishwashing liquid, a thoughtful touch. Just note, while there is an elevator, a few steps along the way make it less ideal if you're on wheels. You're in downtown Montreal, minutes from the Old Port, Notre Dame Basilica, and great food spots. Public transport is close by, including the metro and train station. Despite the central location, my apartment was surprisingly quiet. Great for decompressing after a day of sightseeing. The studio apartment is bright and spacious, thanks to high ceilings and large arched windows. It's got a modern minimal look with a polished concrete floor and calming neutral tones. I paid $243.50 Canadian per night for this 28 square meters queen studio. There's a comfy queen bed, though it squeaks with movement. A sofa, a small dining table, and enough storage for a week-long stay. Lighting was fine for me, though some guests say it's a bit dim. One thing to note, the curtains aren't blackout, so be ready to rise with the sun. The flat-screen TV only supports casting from your own device. There's no cable or local channels. If you like unwinding with local news or late-night shows, pack your streaming stick. The kitchenette is fully stocked and well laid out, with all the appliances you need. A full fridge, stovetop oven, microwave, dishwasher, kettle, toaster, and even a decent set of knives. It made eating in or heating up leftovers easy. You can find extra coffee in the lobby cabinet. The bathroom is sleek and modern, with a compact shower and good water pressure. I especially appreciated the in-unit washer and dryer, a big plus for travelers packing light. Laundry pods were included too, which was a thoughtful bonus. Some units are located near a nightclub, and the bass can shake the walls till 3 a.m. Thankfully, our unit was in the quieter wing, so we had no issues. But if you're a light sleeper, it's worth asking for a room away from the noise when booking. Earplugs and a white noise machine are provided, a sign that management knows this is a problem. Sonder Penny Lane offers a clean, spacious, and well-equipped base in a fantastic location. If you're an independent traveler who doesn't need hotel-style service and enjoys a bit of local flavor, this is a solid option. Just bring your own streaming device and maybe an eye mask.